So, you guys remember a few years ago, I did a video on how my dad would cut up garlic in honey for high blood pressure. Well, he has a new way of doing this garlic for high blood pressure, and it's even more effective. So, guess what? I have him here, and I want him to explain exactly how he puts his garlic mixture together, and he's going to give the name of what it is. Okay, here he is, my dad, Ernest Broaden. So, Daddy, so in these jars are garlic and honey, right? But tell us exactly how you put this mixture together and how long you've been doing it and what you use it for, etc.
I
So,
use it for cholesterol and high blood pressure.
okay,
And the only thing you have to do is the easiest way to make it. You can blend it or use the whole cloves, and I prefer using the whole cloves because every morning when I get up 5:30 in the morning, I get up and eat one of the whole cloves uh, on an empty stomach,
mm,
and that's supposed to relax your blood vessels and have you ready to run the 10K in 2 weeks.
okay,
So this is what you call fermented garlic,
okay,
and it's just like if you were going to make wine,
mm-hmm,
you ferment the grapes or whatever it is you want to make the wine out of. You know that honey is normally thick, and but when it ferments, it turns just about to have the consistency of water.
mm,
And the garlic is normally hot,
mm-hmm,
but once it ferments in this garlic, I mean in this honey, you can just eat one clove and take a couple teaspoons of honey in the morning.
okay.
And this is even better than penicillin. It'll keep you from having runny nose, sore throats, and it's really supposed to be better than penicillin.
Really? Yeah, I can see the difference, the consistency. So the jar you're holding, you've been using that one, right?
I've been using that
Yeah,
one,
look
yes.
how watery that is. And so that you're using this one, and so you started this process right here in this jar with the garlic in here.
With
It's
the garlic, yes.
okay. How long does it take?
I started it on August the 29th, and it'll be ready around September the 12th,
Okay, so that's what, about 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
about 2 or 3 weeks
Oh, okay. And that's how long it takes for the process of
to ferment,
fermentation.
yes.
Okay.
If you look at close at the top of that bottle, you can see bubbles, and
Yeah.
that means it's in the process of fermenting.
Oh.
Once it ferments, you won't have those bubbles anymore. It'll be just plain, just like this one.
Okay. And so the garlic is no longer hot. You said it
No,
still have its garlicky taste, or it
it,
has no taste.
it has a garlicky taste, but it's not hot. It won't burn your mouth or your throat or your stomach when you
Oh.
eat it and swallow it.
Okay. So can you just take the syrup part? Do you have to chew on the garlic or no?
No, you get the same benefit. I mean, you just it's not as strong
Mm-hmm.
if you don't eat the cause the garlic is still raw,
Mm-hmm.
and that's the purpose of the fermentation is to have raw garlic. Garlic is good even if you cook with it, but you lose some of the minerals when you cook it. The heat takes some of the minerals away from.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Well, wow, that's awesome. So, y'all, this is something that I know would help a lot of people that, especially that have high blood pressure. But it seemed like it would be good anyway, just to take as a daily mineral syrup.
To
Right.
prevent colds and that kind of thing.
Right. Right. And like you said, runny nose and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. All right, you guys, there you have it. A homemade remedy for runny nose, colds, and high blood pressure. And what do you this mixture? What do you call it?
It's fermented garlic.
Just fermented garlic.
Yeah.
Okay. Ernie B fermented garlic. That's what it is.